welcome back. Today, of course, we're doing another unboxing with pins. So, I have something to show you guys that you guys have never seen in any of my videos. It is my pins that I already have. So if we look over here, we have all of my pins, and aren't they just so cute? So at the top row, we have our little purse collection that you guys have seen in one of my videos. Our next half mark, we have all of our popsicles, which are really cute and I love them. And then we have our nesting dolls that you know, and part of the friend pack. Then we have all the friends, and then we have the lovers, and then we have the good side that you guys, I was really happy about, so go make sure you check out that video, because that was a really good one. And then we have like the bad side over here. And then we have the pop cans. And my favorite one is the Gorsh, because it has like a goofy hat and I think it's funny. And then I like these, and it shows like the rides at Disney World. So anyway, let's get started with the unboxing. So we have two packs. This one is the donut one, and the weird thing about this one is that it only has 15, while most of them have 16. So I don't know about this one. And what I am hoping for is Donald, or the Dalmatian, or Pinocchio. Because Pinocchio's starting to grow on me, guys. I do not know why. It's all of a sudden. So we're opening up our first donut pack. And we got, yes! Yay! These are huge. These are humongous. So this is Daisy, as it seems from me. And oh my gosh, these are humongous, but this is adorable. This is a very nice pin, and don't worry, at the end we will lay them all out so you can get a closer view. We're gonna start this video. Our next pin, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's Minnie, and this is adorable. Guys, if we keep on doing Mickey Mouse characters, I will be fine with it. I love Mickey Mouse characters. Those are huge. They're really big. Okay, our third pin. Oh, yay. We got Mickey, the Sorcerer Mickey. That's so cool. So we're still in the Mickey Mouse clubhouse direction. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay. Our next pin. Yes! Oh my gosh, guys! We got Mickey, the regular Mickey. This is going great. This is getting really fun. So all we would need is Pluto or Goofy or Donald to make this complete. This is so funny, guys. Okay, our last pin. Yes! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, we got Donald. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, I'm so happy. If you do not know, Donald is my favorite. And I've probably said that like a million times, but I love Donald. And that's just so cool. We got all Mickey Mouse characters. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's really cool. Okay. Next pack. Guys, these are the ones I've wanted since the start. So that's amazing. And if we get Donald, you know what? I'm just going to jump around, okay? If we get him. So our first, yeah, these are smaller. First one. Yay! I was hoping for Pinocchio! I was hoping for Pinocchio! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yay! Yay! Happy times. Woo! Oh, this is amazing. Yay. Oh, I love it. We're going in the right track, guys. Cross your fingers and cross your toes. The next one. We got Minnie, my second favorite Disney character. Amazing. I think like the pins with Minnie, they are very detailed with Minnie. I just think that a lot. Our third pin for this one. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have 10 new pins at the end of it. It's so crazy. Oh my gosh, this thing is getting crazier. We got Mickey. Oh my gosh, besides Pinocchio, but the Pinocchio one I wanted. So, whatever you guys are doing, keep doing it. Our fourth pin, we're getting at the very last second and beat of this video. This one is so cool. It's The Nightmare Before Christmas or Halloween. I don't remember which. That's really cool, guys. Whoa. Okay. Our final pin. Donald Duck. Donald Duck. Donald Duck. It's the cat! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What's the name again? Okay. I like this one because I've gotten it a lot so far. I don't know if you can tell, but I have this one, the popsicle of her. So this is really cool that we have another pin of her because I haven't seen lots of people get like her as a character. Thank you so much for watching. We will give you a close-up of these beautiful pins, and yeah, stay in tune so you know when we're opening more because guys, today was amazing. Yay!